Not sure if you heard of the VITURE Pro XR AR glasses. They come in very handy, especially when you're flying or when you're staying at hotels that have small TV, which are far from the sofa, or like I said, when you're flying and you have long flights and they have just a little tiny TV or nothing. Using one of these AR glasses will change your life. So they come in this lovely box. You have the cable separate in there, stays put, and these are the glasses. They have a connector in here, and that's how you connect them to your phone or tablet or gaming console, portable gaming console. So this is magnetic and it just pops in there like that in place. They have built-in speakers, so you can see them on the top in here. They're just firing up onto your ears, and the sound is amazing because it's Harman Kardon, so it sounds really good. And all you have to do is just connect this USB-C onto your, that's the basic way and the fastest way to do it. You just plug this in. For example, I plug this in into my Android phone and then just watch Netflix movies on the go, and they I can see very well. You see it has two little projectors inside there, and it projects straight into your eyes, and you see a big screen of 135 inches, and it has 120 hertz refresh rate and 1000 nits. So it's very nice and sharp display. You can also adjust if you're wearing glasses. You can adjust from there, make adjustments. And yeah, I love watching movies on this. You can also connect to your console and you can play games. So yeah, you just take your game console, like for example this Steam Deck. You connect it via HDMI, via the USB-C port, and you no longer see anything on here, but the image is projected onto the glasses. So as you can see, it's very hard to film this. As you can see, that's the image in there, and you will project it down to your eyes. It's not simple, but it's very hard to try and give you an example. Best thing would be just to try them in a shop if you have this opportunity.